How to set up ZenBeam L2 Android TV box. First, gently lift and remove the top cover. Lift the retaining clip. Connect the TV box to the USB cable of ZenBeam L2. Next, install the TV box in ZenBeam L2 onto the HDMI connector. Arrange the USB cable. Make sure the cable is not under or on top of the TV box. Gently press the clip back into the place. If you want to remove the TV box, gently push it apart from the HDMI connector. Remove it from ZenBeam L2 after unplugging the USB cord. With the TV box installed, put the top cover back and you can enjoy the streaming. Welcome to subscribe our ASUS support channel. Like the video and share your comment below. We're happy to provide you with more useful information.